Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to sell eBay products on Amazon. Now, when it comes to saying something like that, selling eBay products on Amazon, it's not like we're going to use like an extension or integration between these two. Because unfortunately, eBay and Amazon are totally different platforms. They don't function together. So when it comes to actually selling your product on eBay and Amazon, it's totally doing the same process that you did on eBay, which is creating an account, going to your products history, and adding and listing your products. So the same thing has to be done within your Amazon account. The only difference is that you are simply going to be using the same information and product that you have been using in eBay. Why do you do that actually in the first place? Well, you might have been using a product on eBay and it was doing bad. Well, in that case, you can transform to another platform and it actually might be doing good. Especially the platforms can vary when it comes to the trend. So, for example, the trend on Amazon can be different than the trend on eBay, which can help your product scale more. Now, it could be the second reason, which is your product is doing good on eBay. So that could be actually very good. And you want to expand a little bit more. Instead of spending more money on your ads and making your eBay account boosted, you could actually create an Amazon account and try to step by step scale the product on Amazon as well, so you can have much grand variety of customer range that are potentially going to buy your products. As there is people that are very confident using and comfortable using Amazon, and there's people that are very comfortable and confident when it comes to using eBay. So you are trying to reach both customers. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. That was it. See you guys at the next video and see you guys at the next tutorial. Bye bye.